How's everyone doing? I want to share with you today some rocks that I've collected. These are all carved by Native Americans, some bird heads and different animals. I'd like to start with this one. Now this looks like just any type of animal. It's a long type of sleek looking animal. You can see the edge on it. It's been carved. What gives it away is the tail. The tail here in the back, it gets narrow and then flattened and wide at the end. Now, there's only one animal that has a tail like that. That's a beaver. Look at the tail. That's a beaver. That's a beaver sleeking through the woods, through the swamp. Look at that. Look at that tail. That is unbelievable. Now here's another animal. Looks like it's a big animal sitting. I'm going to call it a buffalo. Look at the size of this head. It looks like there's a big mop of hair up here. They left a big edge of the rock, a big body. You can see definition in the hind legs right here. Here's the front legs. And it sits up really nice. That's the top of the head. That's his nose. That's his front paws. I think that's a big sitting buffalo. Now here's an animal. You got an eye, a well-defined nose. Look, you got a nostril. And you have the mouth that's really carved. Look at the bottom lip. Really nice. Here's a piece. Well, let's start looking at it from the top. It's the top of the head. Here's a beak. On this side here, there's a huge eye that's carved. Look at that eye. And then here's the beak. They started to carve an eye on this side, but they never finished it. There's only an eye on this side. Look at that big eye. And there's the beak. Now here's a bird head. That could be a blue jay or a cardinal. Look at the definition on the head here. Comes all the way down to the neck. It's all been carved really nice. Look at the edging on the beak here. There's a nice line that goes across. Now here's another big hunk of rock on the other side. They left that to resemble the eye, so you can see an eye when you look at it. That's an amazing piece right there. That's a cardinal head or a blue jay head. Really nice work. Now, these are all carved by Native Americans. I hope you enjoyed it. I got some others to show you. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching.